Hey guys! So in today's video we're going to be talking about my August Boxy-Charm. We have a lot of exciting products in this month's Boxy-Charm, so definitely keep watching if you want to see what I got in my Boxy-Charm and if you want to see how I got this look. If you are new here, Boxy-Charm is a monthly subscription for $22 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products that retail no lower than $100. This month's Boxy-Charm is a total value of $144.99. That is crazy because you only pay $22 a month. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. I upload beauty content throughout the week, so when you hit that notification bell, it lets you know when I upload throughout the week. The theme of this month's Boxy-Charm is totally, and there are so many hot pink type of products in this video. I love it. In fact, I don't know why I didn't wear pink today. The first item in our Boxy-Charm is this Per times Barbie glittery pink brightening peel off mask. On the packaging it says that it has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. This is so weird that it's bright pink. Let's hope my face isn't a sensitive, broken out mess by the time I'm done with this mask. On the back of this packaging it says to leave this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I will let this completely dry down and then I'll come back and we will peel this off and see if there's really a difference in my skin. I literally was so scared that I was going to pull this off and my face was going to be inflamed because it was itching really bad underneath this mask. So I don't know if there's something in this that my skin doesn't like. I don't know. I don't think I would ever try that mask again because my skin is just so sensitive. So I don't know if like the glitter gets my skin upset or I don't know what it is. I have sparkle on my face now and it's just, I mean, it could be worse. It could be worse. But like my skin is definitely a little bit irritated around my nose. I don't know if you can see that. This is where it was irritating my skin and you can definitely see a little bit of irritation on my nose. It didn't do too much damage, but it definitely did cause a little bit of an issue right here. So obviously I will not be using this again because I am so picky with my skincare products, and if something like that does this to my skin right away, no. No, no, no. The next item in our Boxy-Charm is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So it's supposed to hydrate and absorb right into the skin and give you a really pretty glow. It's getting a little bit more tacky. I'm gonna let that settle into my skin just a little bit. So I am liking how this is feeling on my skin. I feel like that kind of soothed away this redness just a little bit. I really like how this face oil looks with this foundation. My skin looks clear and this whole irritation thing is basically gone away. It looks really nice. You can't even tell that it happened. I really like it so far. I do like this face oil and I am very picky with face oils, so because I always go for expensive things. Now that I have my foundation and my concealer, we are ready to jump into the next product in my Boxy-Charm. We have the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is supposed to give your face a silky smooth, invisible finish. So it's like a translucent powder, but it is very hydrating. I feel like this is a nice product to have in the summer because obviously it's hot. This product is $39, so that is pretty pricey for a powder. I mean, it's so cool that half of this is legitimately water. That's so crazy. Well, water and glycerin, but that is just so cool. Go to Sephora and request a sample size of this because you need to try this out. I love how my skin looks right now. It looks blurred. I will reapply this throughout the day because it has like that chilling, cooling effect on my skin that feels like a skincare item. The last two products in my Boxy-Charm are two eye products, lash products. So I want to go ahead and put on my bronzer really quick, put on my blush, and my highlighter and my eye makeup, and then we will be right back to test out these last two items. I know this looks really, really light to be a bronzer, but I'm telling you, this stuff works amazing. It's meant to be a foundation, and I've said this a lot on my channel before, but if you're new, this is meant to be a foundation, but I love using it as a bronzer because the color is so pretty and it's an airbrush formula, and it's just, it doesn't irritate my skin. It's just one of those multi-purpose items that I have in my makeup collection. See how blurred my skin looks, and it looks flawless right now. And that's saying something because I have been struggling with the texture. It has been bad. But my skin always gets like that when I travel, and it's just something that I struggle with. At least I'm not having a massive breakout or anything, because we don't like those. I'm going with a matte neutral blush because I don't want too much sparkle today. I don't want to bring any emphasis to my texture right now because I'm feeling good about my skin right now and I don't want to lose it. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes because the next item in our Boxy-Charm is Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I am really excited about this one because I've seen a lot of impressive results with this mascara, and I want it to be real. So, I mean, this before and after picture is pretty dramatic. Look at that before and after. That's pretty dramatic, so we'll see if it actually lives up to what it's claiming it does. But this does retail for $23, and it looks like this. I love how everything is pink in this video. So that's what the wand looks like, and it looks like the type of wand I will like. This is an ultra black vegan mascara that's supposed to last up to 16 hours. What I really hope is that this is going to work on my lower lash line too. I do like mascaras that you have to apply a couple coats because I like building it up so that it doesn't get clumpy. It hasn't gotten clumpy on me yet, so that's a positive. And my eyelashes aren't drooping. Alright, so far I like it. I do like how this mascara looks. It hasn't gotten clumpy on me. I don't see any chunks of mascara in there. I am concerned that this is going to dry out really quickly. Mascaras like this tend to dry out on me really fast. So hopefully that's not going to happen, but I really do like what it does for my eyelashes. I think there's definitely some potential here. I like it. These type of wands don't do very well on my bottom lash line, so it's probably not going to be the best. Actually, it wasn't as much of a problem as I was thinking it was going to be. I am very impressed. I mean, I've said this a couple times, but if you don't know, I did do an eyelash lift a couple weeks ago, and I'm still seeing the results of it being lifted up, so that could be a little bit of it. But I mean, this mascara seems like it's a really nice product. I haven't been really impressed with previous mascaras from Tarte. I've tried their sample sizes before, and they haven't really been that impressive to me. So I would say that this is the first one that I'm actually impressed with. I do like this. I feel like my eyelashes do look nice and fluttery and volumized. I like that look. Yeah, I mean, overall, I think I really like this mascara. And can we just have a moment for this packaging. I love this packaging. I love hot pink. That is my color. All right, so I need to put on my highlighter really quick before I go in with the last item from our Boxycharm. I was so happy when I got a fake eyelash because I have really been loving fake eyelashes right now. I have one from Huda Beauty that I mentioned in my favorites video. I love wearing lashes in my videos because it gives me an excuse to be a little bit more glam. So we have the brand, I've never heard of this brand before, but it's called the Lashaholics Insta Glam False Eyelashes, and these retail for $14.99. I'm still beginner at lashes, so please forgive me because I probably am doing everything that you probably shouldn't do, but we are going to put these lashes on. Where's my lash glue? I have the is Invisible Lash Glue from Benefit. I found that this works really well for me, so it's just what I've been using. What I like about these is that they look a little bit more natural, and I like eyelashes like that. I do like, don't get me wrong, I do like the glam ones, but they're a little bit more harder to pull off in real life. Let's be real. So I do like the fact that these are a little bit more natural looking. These were pretty easy to apply, and trust me guys, I'm a beginner at lashes. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to lashes, so if I can do it, you guys can do it. Oh, I like them. I really, really do. I like this style. What style is this? This is the style in Instaglam. These lashes weren't too expensive. They're like kind of in the middle. They're not as expensive as like Lily lashes and, ooh, what's the other lashes? Yes. They're not as expensive as like the Blinking Beauty lashes. Like I just picked these up at Ulta and I haven't tried these on yet, but they look amazing. But that's getting off topic. I feel like a Barbie. It's very wispy and fluttery. Very natural. I feel like if you're not much of a lash person, you would actually like these. It does a lot for your eye looks. I mean, you can tell the difference. I feel like I talk so much in these videos and then like half of it I edit out because it's all like so random, or it's just not even close to what we're talking about. I really should get like an eyelash tool to apply these, but hey, if your finger works, just, you know. I've been staying away from eyelashes that have that thicker band, and these don't have that thick band. These are really easy to bend and they're very pliable and easy to adjust to your eye shape. So I do like that about these. In short, to say that I have been loving fake eyelashes recently. I like them in my videos and stuff. It just gives me an excuse to wear them. But I feel like I'm still very hesitant to wear false eyelashes outside my home because it just, in person, it takes it to another level. And I honestly don't think that I would be scared to wear these to like a church service or a date or something, because they're not crazy in your face eyelashes. They're actually pretty natural and they're very pretty. It gives your eyelashes a beautiful length. That is everything in my Boxycharm. Oh, let me do my lips really quick. I have the ColourPop by Shayla. I am liking the whole vibe of this look. I feel like I want to wear this look somewhere. Maybe I'll talk my husband into taking me out on a date or something. So that is everything in my Boxycharm. We had this mascara, which I freaking love. I love the setting powder. And then what else do we have? I love the lashes very much. I feel like these are going to be date night type of lashes. The mask Let me get it. It's over on the floor. The mask is a miss for me. That broke my skin out. So, alright, done with that. I like this Wander Beauty Illuminating Face Oil. I definitely will keep using this and keep you guys updated on my thoughts on this. But as of first impressions, first use, I really like this. Blended right into my skin. It provided a beautiful base for my makeup. I think my skin hasn't looked this flawless in a long time. And I think it's the combination of this primer, my favorite Makeup Revolution foundation, and this blurring powder. I love this powder. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this video for you guys. I love doing the Boxy-Charm videos. I think that they're fun. I know I've been like really crazy in this video. I don't know why, but I just got off the phone with my sister and we were talking for a while, and I just, it's awesome talking with family. I had so much fun talking to my sister, and I hope that she enjoys this video. I love you, Anna. And I hope you had a wonderful day, a wonderful Saturday. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and close this video down because I will just keep going and going and going and talking about all this stuff, and it's time to stop. Alright, well, I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.